Here, thank you so much. Well, just hours ago, Governor Kemp signed a bill into law which will officially make it illegal for someone to squat or live on another person's land without approval. Now, squatting has taken center stage here in Georgia, especially over the last year, and several homeowners have had to share their nightmare stories with us here at 11 Alive.
That's right. So take a look at this. Did you know that Atlanta is actually the top city for squatters? A survey from the National Rental Home Council found that more than 1,200 homes in the area have reportedly had squatters, while the two cities behind us are Dallas and Orlando. They've had less than 500. So we want to go to 11 Alive's Brittany Klein-Peter right now. She's been digging on this, covering so many of these stories, Brittany, and you are breaking it down for us tonight on what this means for Georgians. People believe, or when you think about it, people are saying squatters can be in my house.
Yeah, that has been the question we have been discussing for months now. And as you guys mentioned, Atlanta has been at the center of this national conversation surrounding squatter rights since that point. But tonight, lawmakers are putting their foot down, saying squatters are no longer welcome here in Georgia. From trespassers taking control over rental properties and homes of the deceased to clashing with property owners, 11 Alive has covered all of it. And throughout that time, one question has continued to come up.
And somebody can just come break in my house and move in and just say they belong here.
But tonight, homeowners like Tia, who were victimized by squatters, can breathe a sigh of relief.
I'm elated. It's a new beginning. Hopefully this is the first of many new changes with the law for the squatters.
After a long journey through the House and Senate, Governor Kemp officially signed the Georgia Squatter Reform Act into law Wednesday.
Today is a great day to be a Georgian and a bad day to be a squatter.
Representative Devin Seabaugh, who sponsored the bill, says it will now make it easier for homeowners to remove people staying on the property without permission.
Prior to this law being enacted, it was taking 8 months to 2 years to get somebody out of a property.
Up until now, property owners like Tia had to go to the courts to remove squatters.
It was very stressful, going to the courts, hoping to get some help, waiting on a court date, not being able to get them out, paying money to fix the damages that they caused.
But under the new law, it will be treated as a criminal matter, speeding up the eviction process. And for those that have dealt with these nightmare situations, they say it's a great first step towards offering homeowners more protection.
Brittany, like you said in this package, a long time coming. So how does this impact the time frame to get squatters out of those homes?
So the biggest difference here is that it was a civil matter. Now it's going to be a criminal matter. So that will speed up things. It will allow these squatters to have up to 3 days to show proof of that lease, show proof of residence at that home. But within those 3 days, they will be removed. Prior to this, as you heard in the package, they would have to go to the court system, file an eviction notice, and that could take several weeks, even years at some time. So definitely make it quicker and faster for these homeowners. For now, reporting outside the Capitol, Brittany Klein-Peter, 11 Alive News. Sending it back to y'all.
A lot of homeowners breathing a sigh of relief tonight.